I'm Colette Mckay. I'm a Veski Innovation Fellow and I'm leading the Translational Hearing Research here at the Bionics Institute. The focus of my research is ameliorating the impact of deafness in people's lives. When an infant is born deaf, and if their deafness goes untreated, then that will prevent them from actually developing oral language skills. And in adults, it's a very severe social handicap in that they can't find employment and it impacts upon their social lives.
We're working to improve the bionic ear. We're developing with other colleagues a retinal prosthesis or a bionic eye, and we're also developing central nervous system devices.
My specific aim here at the Institute is to improve how cochlear implants work, and I'm also working on developing new devices that electrically stimulate the hearing brain to actually improve the hearing of people who are profoundly deaf. I actually trained at Melbourne University. I did a maths and physics degree and did a PhD in nuclear physics, at which point I decided that I wanted to work with people rather than equations. I did a clinical audiology degree and started working on cochlear implant research. 8 years ago, I went to the UK to take up a chair position in Birmingham, and from there I went to Manchester University to lead the audiology and deafness research group there.
Colette's leadership in clinical cochlear implant research is something that we haven't had in this organisation for a number of years. So she's going to bring back a wealth of experience in the area of psychophysics with cochlear implants. And in addition to that, she's going to bring back a wonderful network that she's established both in the UK and in Europe, something that we within Melbourne don't have.
Of course, Melbourne is the place where the cochlear implant, as we know it, was developed, and I was participating in that fairly soon after it was first developed, and so I'm really happy to be back in Melbourne to actually continue the work that was done by the pioneers.
So she has experience working with patients, and she knows how to translate that experience into commercial outcomes, improving the outcome of cochlear implants. We need people like that. Veski offers a unique opportunity for us to go out and recruit someone as experienced as Colette back to Melbourne. So we're reversing the brain drain, and without Veski and the input that they have, we couldn't do that.
It's very important for me to be able to translate my research into actual clinical benefit in a very effective way. To do this, we need collaboration of industry, such as the company Cochlear, the Australian company who builds cochlear implants. And so the Veski Fellowship and my participation in the Veski family will facilitate this by helping me to connect with all the key people that I need to in Australia to actually make a difference in the clinic.